Here you go, guys. This is Oscar here. I just had one video yesterday about the mobile speed cameras in New South Wales, and there you go. There is one more here, and in GREENACRE. Can't even tell this camera is actually a speed camera because it doesn't say anything. Even the car doesn't say it's from Service New South Wales. So I'll just get a glimpse of this car, so everybody can be careful of how this camera looks like. And so yeah, I just want people to be careful and not to lose any money. So this is how this camera looks. So yeah, have a look at how it looks. It doesn't have any identification. This is a Kluger. Just has the camera again just to record me or anybody who is trying to attack. And if you can see through the windshield, I don't know if you can see, that's the camera there that reading the speed, and that's one of the locations that quite often they change it. So the location of this camera is 67 Juno Parade, GREENACRE, and you guys got to be very careful. Camera is just here, and there is no sign, as you can see, from miles away. And hopefully everybody take care on the road. Thank you.